Can you talk to us how Timothy Bradley has training camp?
Timothy is doing really good. I came to Vegas today due to the fact that, I can't leave him behind. My brother's fighting tomorrow night, but my brother came along with my team. His strength and conditioning coach, Antonio, my brother, and my other brother, Jesus. After I finished training Timothy this afternoon, I left home. He's in really good condition. His timing is great. His speed is there. We're following the plan, the strategy of attack, and he's looking phenomenal. So, we're just ready. We're looking forward to the day as well.
Now, Timothy Bradley sparred actually with Lucas Matthysse. Can you talk to us how it happened, how it went?
That sparring session was a very professional sparring session. Lucas is a very professional person. His team are very professionals, as well as we are. The sparring partner went really well. They both did the work. You didn't see, Matthysse beating up on Bradley or Bradley beating up on Matthysse. They worked real well. It was a great sparring session for both of them.
Now, Timothy will be fighting Marquez. Are you worried anything about that?
The fight's a tough fight, like every other fight. Marquez is a great fighter, one of the best Mexican fighters ever, and we know what we're stepping in the ring with. So we are ready. Like every fighter, we have to prepare. We have to prepare a fight of attack and a fight plan, and we're working on it. Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen. The fight's already done. We're gonna come in here and perform and give the people what they want to see.
All right. Can you give us your prediction, Matthysse versus Garcia?
In my opinion, the Matthysse Garcia fight, they're both great fighters. They're both young. They both hit hard. The difference in this fight is the defense, and I think Matthysse has a better defense, and his composure is real good. And I know that Matthysse is not gonna let the fight go past 8 rounds.
All right. Good luck to your brother.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck to you tomorrow.
Thank you.
All right.